Hey guys, so today we're going to watch some clips that I made with the DJI O4 and compare it to the DJI O3 and the Walksnail Moonlight. We'll show you some clips from the DJI O4 Air unit, which are graded, and then I will show you side by side some clips which are graded and ungraded, how they look like against each other. So I will always mention the camera under the video. Then I will show you some longer clips of every one of the systems, and I will give some explanation of the settings that I used. So let's start with that. So as you can here see, this is the DJI O4 Air unit. This is basically graded, so I used the D-Log-M. We were on 4K 50, 1/100 the ISO was on 100 and white balance was on 5000. I think it looks really decent if you look at it. I mean, it looks really nice. Basically, if I put it side by side with the DJI Action 5, it's almost the same. So in here you can see how it looks in the D-Log-M. So it's really flat, and you have a lot of space to play around with, you know, so you can grade it however you like. Unfortunately, yeah, I didn't have such good weather. There was no sun, but I will make some more videos in the next couple of weeks and I can try it. But I like the detail. If I have to be honest, in the goggles, it's not such a big difference over the O3. Yeah, someone would say it's because I don't have the goggles 3 because there is 10 megabits difference, but yeah, I don't care that much. I think that it looks good, it's decent. For me, it's more than enough. I have to say that Walksnail looks kind of nicer in the goggles while flying. Here you can see the DJI O4 Air unit with D-Log-M and the DJI O3 with the D-Cinelike. I feel that the D-Cinelike is more greenish. So here I tried to grade them to make them look similar. I think this kind of looks the same. I don't know, let me know what you think. You can see basically that the O4 is more sharp. But all by all, if I wouldn't tell you which one is which, I think it would be really hard to know, you know? I still think that the O3 looks good. Of course, the O4 looks better. And here is the Moonlight against the DJI O4, not graded. So this is just how it comes out of the drone without any color grading. And this is a little bit graded to make it look similar. Of course, you don't have any flat or lock on the Walksnail, but I still think that it looks really good, and it's really sharp. It's super sharp like Walksnail. And here you can also see how it looks. And I think Walksnail looks really good. I think the dynamic range is really nice and it's really sharp. Although I have to be honest, on the Moonlight I had to go to shutter speed 1/400 because I didn't have an ND filter, or at least I thought I didn't, but I had one, but I forgot to put it on because I didn't know at the time that I had it. I think this looks really nice. You can see that the O4 is a little bit sharper and there is more details in the trees, in the darker parts. And the dynamic range is a little bit better here. But they look a lot alike, if you ask me. And here we have the Walksnail Moonlight again against the DJI O4, and I mean even this grade, I graded them almost identical if you look at it, and it's pretty weird if you think about it. But of course this is just snow, so I don't know how it would look like in a sunset scenario or something like that. All right, so here I will just show you some more clips of all the systems and let me know what you think about it. One thing that I have to mention, for some reason I don't really trust the DJI O4 that much, because I will show you in the next clip that if you look at the trees, that you can basically see that there is some shakiness, like if you put it into gyro flow. And the funny thing is that actually in gyro flow, it looked less shaky on the raw footage without the gyro stabilization. So I'm a little bit disappointed, because I was really hoping like to use this in a small drone and be like 100% sure that everything will be okay, that I can basically do some client jobs with this, because yeah, I like to have a small drone because not everywhere it is possible to fly bigger drones. So I really wanted to have some 2-inch with the DJI O4 installed, but for some reason there are some shakes in the footage. You can basically mostly see it in the trees, like you will see it, and on the castle, like on the top of the castle, you can see some like little shakes. But okay, so here if you watch it, just check it out, and you see in the trees now, yeah, you see that shakiness? It's really weird. And now also in the castle, look at the top of the castle and you see some weird shakes. I actually don't know why this happened. It was in one clip, but imagine you will do a client job and this will happen in one clip. Here again, I'm going pretty slow and you see some shakiness. I don't know why it happened, and also here it's not completely stable. So in my opinion, that is not really good. I hope the DJI will fix that this is just a software issue, not some oversensitive gyro, and this will be never fixed, because that would be like a pity. But yeah, let's hope that this is just something software related and they will fix it ASAP. So maybe in some firmware update it will be fixed, and yeah, we will see. Alright, so I hope that you liked this video. I tried to like put as much footage into this as possible. I didn't want to talk like through the whole video, so I wanted to do the whole part with the side-by-side videos in the beginning, so that you didn't have to wait like for the whole video to watch that. If you have some questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. I will try to answer everything, and maybe some ideas for next videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.